What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. SHTF Survival here. Thought I'd take a break from watching the Avalanche lose and do an EDC flashlight review. This review is going to be on the Streamlight Protac 2L. Go over the specs real quick. It's got 3 modes. You got the high mode, which is 260 lumens for 3 hours. You got a low mode, which it runs at 13 lumens for around 50 hours. And then you got a strobe. Flashlight runs on the standard 123 type batteries. Runs off of 2 of those. It is waterproof for up to 1 meter. You can see it's a tight fit with that O-ring there. Make sure it's watertight. This is a really solid flashlight. It's made out of cast aluminum. It's a really solid flashlight. It's gonna hold up nice. I've definitely dropped it a few times and I've had no problems whatsoever. It's a nice pocket clip. It's really aggressive. Holds in the pocket nice. It has these flat areas right here, so you can set it on a table and it's not going to roll off. It is capable of standing on the front and on the rear. The only problem with the rear, if you don't have a perfectly flat surface, it does wobble a little bit and tends to fall over. So that's probably one of my only gripes with this flashlight. If you want to mark where your location is, and you want to stand up your flashlight like this, you don't want it falling over. Alright, the flashlight comes with a sheath. Really good sheath if you want to put this on any kind of molly or tactical setup you got. Really nice, simple sheath. Alright, that's an overview of the flashlight. We'll go ahead and show you the 3 different modes. We'll turn off the lights real quick. Alright, we'll go ahead and show you the 3 modes real quick. You tap the button once. You get the high beam. Tap and hold twice. You get the strobe. Tap and hold 3 times. You get the low beam. As you can see, it's a extremely powerful light for such a compact little device. Alright, this is my EDC light. I carry this with me everywhere. This came in handy on multiple occasions. It's really nice to just have a flashlight with you wherever you go. Also can be used as a weapon of opportunity. It's got this nice striking surface on the front here. You just kind of hold it like a tactical pen with your thumb on the back end here. Good striking weapon. Less than lethal. Really good carry option if you're not allowed to carry any kind of lethal weapons in your area. But I definitely highly recommend this flashlight. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this flashlight review. You guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the future. We're kind of just doing the equipment we have now, so that's why all the reviews have been of just really solid equipment, because we do a lot of research in the stuff we buy personally. But if you guys want to see a review on something we don't have or haven't done a video about yet, just go ahead and throw it in the comments. Alright, thanks for watching.